In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide projects from users in Zoho Projects. Sometimes you don't want every project to be visible to everyone in your portal. Maybe it's a sensitive internal initiative, a management-only project, or work that only a small group should see. In Zoho Projects, the easiest way to control this is by making a project private. And that's exactly what I'll walk you through now. First, start by opening the project you want to hide from certain users. On the left-hand side of your Zoho Projects interface, look for the main navigation panel and click on Projects. This will open a list of all the projects you have access to. Take a moment to find the one you want to adjust. If you have a long list, you can use the search bar or filters to quickly locate it. Once you see the correct project, click on it to open its main overview page. With the project open, you now need to access its settings so you can change the visibility. Look toward the top of the project screen for a three-dot icon. This is usually where Zoho hides additional options and settings for that specific project. Click on the three dots, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose Edit Project. When you click Edit Project, a configuration or details page will open, allowing you to modify various properties of the project. On this edit page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Project Access. This is the key area that controls who can see and work on the project. By default, many projects might be set to a more open or general access level. To hide the project from users who should not see it, change this setting to private. Selecting private means only users you explicitly add to the project will be able to view it and interact with it. Everyone else in your portal who is not part of the project team will no longer see this project in their project list. This is an effective way to keep information limited to just the right people. Once you've selected private under project access, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the update button, usually at the bottom of the page, and click it. This confirms and applies your new privacy setting. After updating, your project is now private and hidden from users who are not members. That's all you need to do to hide a project from specific users in Zoho Projects by making it private.